The U.S.-China Business Council President Craig Allen said Sunday that American companies are pleased with the results of participation in the China International Import Expo, and want to grow with the expo.
American companies are heavily invested in CIIE, and we're very pleased with the results of that investment. We have about 200 companies, and we have the largest floor space of any country. And every individual company wants a little bit more space. Every year, the U.S. corporate presence at CIIE continues to grow. And that indicates that companies find it a very useful forum. It is a wonderful place to meet Chinese buyers and government officials and suppliers and friends from all over China. Among the American companies that I'm aware of, there are many signing ceremonies and memorandums of understanding and letters of intent. And so there's a lot of business activity that takes place at CIIE.
Founded in 1973, the U.S.-China Business Council represents more than 200 American companies that do business with China. Noting that China is a major contributor to global growth over the past decade, Allen said Chinese consumers have a need for quality services and products, and American companies want to join the competition in that market.
And we also recognize that China has produced approximately 30% of global growth over the last 10 years. And so naturally we're interested in all elements of the Chinese economy and selling into every segment. Hundreds of millions of Chinese have been brought out of poverty and indeed are becoming much more prosperous. And as they do become more prosperous, they become more concerned about their health care and their education, and they want good services and good products, and we feel that we're very competitively positioned to supply them.
He also called on the two countries to have more communication.
We need to actually communicate. I am here to listen and to represent the views of American companies, and I'm here also to listen to Chinese friends, the government, and Chinese companies, and take those messages back to America as well. We need to communicate in a more healthy and richer manner.